today we are in Redmond because we are at Buttonwood Tree Farm. We're here to cut down our own Christmas tree.
And by we, I mean Connor.
Yeah, I'm here for the muscle and she's here for the aesthetics. So here's how it works. This year it's a reservation only. We tried to come here last year, like 2 weeks before Christmas, and they were all sold out. None of these trees that are here were not here last year. Piece of paper, there's all these grids with all the different trees. They give you the green lanyard to mark your tree, then you go pay for it, and then you come back and you cut it down, put it up on your car, and you drive away. What are your key points that you're looking for to find the perfect tree today?
I'm looking for a tree that is tall, a little wide, and I like it to be thick with 2 C's.
Part that you got to remember about looking for the tree is make sure you are measuring the height of your ceiling and the width of your room where you're putting it, because that has been a major factor here. We're looking for something that's like gotta be most 7 feet, probably around 6 feet.
I like this one because it's full. It still feels fluffy without being like overbearingly thick. It's even distribution, so a typical triangle for a Christmas tree. And there's not too many naked spots.
You get the little ribbon, that's how you clean your tree. Trees are definitely way more expensive when you have to pay to cut it down yourself than getting it from all the typical tree farms. But it's an organic tree. They're all about not having pesticides here. And so to get your own organic tree, you know, when you bring it into your house, you're not bringing anything else except the natural tree. What they don't tell you is you've got to tie it off to your car. So make sure your car is prepared to put a tree in somewhere. This is definitely the most dangerous part about the whole thing. Well, the tree is tied to the roof. A little concerned about how this drive's gonna go, but how was your experience at
I had a great time.
The Buttonwood Tree Farm?
It was so much fun. I even did some sawing.
You did a great job.
Thanks.
This tree was good. The trees are pricey, but they're organic trees.
It's a local farm that employs local high school athletic teams to help run this farm, so I feel good about it.
Yeah, I think it was fine. And make sure you bring shoes that are prepared for the mud. If it's raining, obviously be prepared for the rain. I brought gloves. Those gloves were super helpful with sawing and putting a tree.
Shout out to Elliot's Oyster House for gloves.
And yeah, check out Buttonwood Tree Farm if you need a tree next year. Bye.
Bye.
Ah.